Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Another pullback day here, which, if you're looking at just the chart in a very isolated, 1 or 2 day period, then yeah, maybe you're thinking the chart looks really, really bad. But if you take a step back and look at more than 1 or 2 days, then yeah, it was a down day today, but overall everything is still perfectly fine, and I'll show what I mean by that. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $4.20 was the area of support going into today, but now that the price is broken down below it, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that's exactly what happened here. And the price never really got back up there the remainder of the day, but in the very near term, $4.20 is going to be that first key level that needs to be broken. Then after that, you can focus up here on the secondary level of resistance, which sits just shy of $4.60. However, as of right now, focusing any attention on this level up here really doesn't make much sense, because the price first has to prove itself in the near term, and once more, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as getting up above $4.20. I made the comment about, the price is still perfectly fine from the big picture perspective, and that's all when you, like I said, squeeze down the chart and you look at the price, especially relative to this purple line here, which is the famous 50-period moving average. And you can see that whenever the price has gotten right around it, so it's not perfect because, prices can go slightly below areas. Remember, supports, resistance levels are not exact specific prices. There is a range element. So it got within the range there, then bounced right there, essentially bounced, and then this afternoon, once again, bounced right there. So yeah, the price has pulled back over the past couple of days, but like I said, that's just a couple of days. When you squeeze down the chart and look at the past several weeks, you can see the overall trend is still very much so in the bull's favor. So keep that in mind, and I realize it is all a matter of perspective, but overall, as long as the price keeps on chipping away at those higher lows over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.